Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer and keep the original hidden so you can revert. Once done, zoom to the word at about 100–200% to see edges clearly. Next, select a healing or clone-capable tool. These work differently, so choose based on texture: healer for soft areas, clone for structured patterns. Make a quick selection around the word to limit changes, and feather that selection slightly to blend edits later. Now you'll remove the text itself by painting over it with the chosen tool. Start with small strokes and frequent resampling of source areas so patterns remain consistent. This avoids repeating artifacts. Once the bulk of the letters are gone, switch to a soft healing brush to blend edges and match surrounding noise and grain. Make sure to toggle between layers and use layer masks to keep control. If a region looks wrong, mask it out and redo only that portion rather than the entire image. Finish by stepping back and inspecting the whole image at different zoom levels so you catch visible seams or repeating patterns. If textures appear too smooth, add subtle noise matching the photo's grain or apply a tiny Gaussian blur to the edited area to integrate it. Flatten or export a copy when satisfied, but keep the layered file to revisit. Troubleshooting tip: if cloning repeats patterns, undo and resample from multiple source areas, or use content aware, fill on a new layer for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.